let's open my first ever Sunny Angel. I'm finally jumping on the Sunny Angel team. I don't know, but let's look. So I think I want the deal. Honestly, I really don't care what I get, but I kind of want the deal. But yeah. So excited. Okay, ready? Okay. What do we think? I think it's the deal. Wait. Guys, I think this is the deal. Ready? Okay. I'm not looking. Oh my god. Okay. I don't know if this is like first luck Sunny Angel. Like, I don't know if the Sunny Angel god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I got the deal. Look at her. She's so cute. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this on my phone. I'm so happy. So cute.